Hello, friends! I'm Miss Teachmore, and I'm so excited you're here today. We're going on a fruity adventure. We'll learn about different fruits, what they look like, what colors they come in, and even some fun facts. Are you ready? Let's get started! Fruits are delicious, colorful, and super healthy for us. They grow on trees, bushes, and vines. Some are sweet, some are sour, and they all help keep us strong. Let's play a fun guessing game. Can you find the fruit? Is it the apple, the carrot, or the cupcake? Point to your answer. That's right, the apple is a fruit. Apples come in red, green, and yellow, and they grow on trees. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow and full of energy. Did you know bananas grow in big bunches and monkeys love to eat them? Which one is an orange? Is it the orange, the watermelon, or the pizza? Point to your answer. Great job! Oranges are round and juicy. They are full of vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy. Look at these tiny, yummy fruits. Grapes come in green, purple, and red, and they grow in bunches on vines. Strawberries are bright red and covered in tiny seeds. Whoa, look at this giant fruit. Watermelons are green on the outside and red inside with tiny black seeds. They are sweet and super juicy. Wow, we learned so much about fruit today. We saw apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries, and even watermelon. Fruits are healthy and tasty. If you had fun today, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Sing and Shine Kids for more fun learning videos. See you next time!